Feline Parvovirus, FPV, or feline distemper. Feline Parvovirus, FPV, is a highly contagious viral disease that affects cats. It attacks the gastrointestinal tract and causes symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration, and loss of appetite. FPV is spread through direct contact with infected feces or contaminated surfaces. It is preventable through vaccination and treatment is available. Synonyms of feline parvovirus, FPV: Feline Panleukopenia Virus, feline distemper virus, feline infectious enteritis. Etiology of feline parvovirus, FPV. Feline parvovirus, FPV, is caused by a single-stranded DNA virus of the Parvoviridae family. The virus attacks the rapidly dividing cells in the body, such as those found in the intestinal lining and bone marrow, leading to disease and symptoms. The virus is highly contagious and can be spread through direct contact with infected feces or contaminated surfaces. It can also be spread through contact with an infected cat or contaminated clothing, equipment, or food dishes. Epidemiology of feline parvovirus, FPV. Feline parvovirus, FPV, is a widespread and highly contagious disease that affects cats globally. The virus is spread through direct contact with infected feces or contaminated surfaces. It can also be spread through contact with an infected cat or contaminated clothing, equipment, or food dishes. Kittens and unvaccinated cats are most susceptible to the disease, but even vaccinated cats can become infected if they are exposed to a high dose of the virus. FPV outbreaks can occur in crowded environments, such as shelters, breeding catteries, and multi-cat households. Transmission of feline parvovirus, FPV. Feline parvovirus, FPV, is transmitted through direct contact with infected feces or contaminated surfaces. The virus can also be spread through contact with an infected cat or contaminated clothing, equipment, or food dishes. The virus is highly contagious and can persist in the environment for long periods, making it difficult to eradicate once it has been introduced into a location. The risk of transmission can be reduced by practicing good hygiene, regularly cleaning and disinfecting contaminated areas, and vaccinating cats against the virus. Signs and symptoms of feline parvovirus, FPV. The signs and symptoms of feline parvovirus, FPV, can vary.